Okay. Thank you all for coming to the Impact VC LP meeting. We are very fortunate to have had Impact VC as part of the ScoreData Series A round. In fact, they led the round right in the midst of a pandemic. They also did substantial due diligence over several months, talking to our customers, partners, board members, and prospects. So today I'll tell you a little bit about how we are reinventing how businesses engage with customers through agents. Over the last 12 months, we have processed over $3 billion of loans for a bunch of financial services companies on loan portfolios. We've processed data impacting over 600 million consumers for a couple of media companies. And in Japan, we processed over 500,000 companies to analyze the types of jobs they post so that job seekers get great jobs. We are a leading provider of AI ML applications for customer engagement, and we target the rapidly growing cloud contact center market. It's growing at 25% compound aggregate rate. We build predictive applications to gain new customers, to reduce customer churn, and to increase cross-sell and upsell. We have a strong growing pipeline via direct and indirect channels. And our most recent accomplishment is that we closed 2 major deals at Lifesize and Entity Data in this last quarter. We are currently in the process of setting up a US direct sales force. This is a team with a strong record of building lasting products and companies. In 2020, Entity Data provided us or gave us the Innovator of the Year award over several hundred companies that participated in this competition. In 2018, Gartner gave us a Cool Vendor to Watch award. So what do we do? What problem do we solve for the industry? Agent intermediated businesses, which is just about any business, are losing billions of dollars because the right customer is not matched the right agent, empowered with the right actionable tools. What ScoreData does is empowers enterprises to drive profitable outcomes using historical and external data sets and using complex machine learning solutions to match the right agent to the right customer on with the right product. Essentially, what we do is we solve problems in customer acquisition, churn prevention, and cross-sell and upsell. Now, this is how we do it. We segment the consumers so that they are matched correctly to the right product, and the right product is also matched to the right agent, which is matched to the right customer. So it's a tight feedback loop, a virtuous cycle. Now you combine this with nudge and negotiation, and this is a game changer in the industry. So who have we done this for? We have done this for Fidelity Guarantee Life. As an example, we have solved these problems. We have over 60 white papers and over 25 use cases that we've implemented over the last few years. But I'll tell you some of the core use cases that we've worked on. At Entity Data, we showed an impact, a 12% reduction in average handle time and a 15% reduction in repeat calls that led to over $400,000 of savings over a 75 agent contact center. And they have thousands of such agents at Fidelity Guarantee Life. We simultaneously ranked, matched, and paired consumers with agents while making sure that the right policies were recommended to the right consumer. At Citibank, another very important use case, we showed that by matching the right agent to the right caller, perhaps at the right time, or perhaps with the right loan amount, we were able to deliver a much higher recovery of loans. So this has yielded, as you can see, this has yielded millions of dollars of recovery per month on a couple $1 billion plus of loans. It's a substantial improvement over traditional techniques. Our pricing is very simple. Our ultimate pricing is a fixed price per month per customer per use case. Initially, we have a fixed charge that that is matched, that is added to a % lift in the experimental phase, and then we move to a fixed price model. This makes the pricing simple, and the customer and the onus on the customer to implement our system is minimized while delivering the maximum profit. We have a dual go-to-market approach. As you can see, through partners, we have been able to penetrate some of the largest customers in the world, whereas directly as well with, we deliver proof points. Currently, we are working with MyCare, Diligent, and Backcountry. We are still in the process of closing MyCare and Diligent, but they are some of our primary prospects in the marketplace. We have a very strong team of company builders, 2 IPOs to our credit. Prashanta Behra was a well thought of leader, engineering leader at Yahoo. He ran their Hadoop group. Dr. Moedin ran the IBM Amadon Research Center as associate director. Ashok Badhan has worked on risk models, and he taught economics, taught business at the Berkeley Haas School of Business. Satish Belani ran the Nielsen Analytics group for all of India. He heads our India operation. We are complemented by a strong board. Betsy Atkins, for example, works on several public boards. We are fortunate to have Yatish Mishra as our board member representing Impact VC. Andrea Weiss has been on our advisory board for several years. She was the CEO of Ann Taylor. She's on the SAP advisory board. Our most recent additions to the advisory board are Nitesh Banga, who's helping us with banking applications, Professor Charikar, who teaches AI and machine learning at Stanford, and Dr. Jane Lombard, who is on the board at the El Camino Hospital Group. She has been the champion for our healthcare applications. We have already closed $2.6 million out of our raise of $4 million. So we would be fortunate to have you participate in our round. We expect to be break even next quarter, and we expect to use these funds for sales, marketing, and customer success. In summary, ScoreData is targeting large markets with defensible technology, the deep technology stack, which we are innovating as we speak. We want to drive profitable outcomes for agent-intermediated businesses. And the most important secular trend driving AI/ML-led applications is digital transformation. It's a competitive imperative for every business to transform themselves digitally, and they cannot do this without applying AI/ML principles across the board. We see a bright future for ourselves with a broad range of use cases empowering rank and file agent intermediated businesses. Thank you.